Hi baking friends, my name is Bea and today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious dark chocolate brownies. They are decadent and moist and super tasty, and they happen to be completely plant-based. So the magic ingredient in these brownies is this stuff here. This is called aquafaba, and it's basically the water that you would normally drain and throw away from a tin of black beans. For this recipe you'll need about 2 tins worth. Now, the full ingredients list and the method are in the description below, but what you need to do is basically make a hot batter by putting all of your wet ingredients into a pot or a saucepan and stirring them up until they're warm through. So we've got our black bean aquafaba, we've got our maple syrup, we've got some lovely dark brown sugar and some oil. I've used groundnut oil for this part. We're going to stir these up with a little bit of vanilla and some dark chocolate until it's melted. So once everything is melted together and you've got this lovely gooey hot mix, you need to add in your dry ingredients, which is your plain flour. And then for a bit more depth of flavour, I use a teaspoon of instant coffee or a shot of espresso, depending on what you like best. So mix this in with a whisk to avoid any lumps, and then you're ready to get it in the oven. So once the brownie batter's come together, and there are no lumps at all from the flour, you can pour this one pot wonder straight into your brownie pan, like so. There she goes. It's a really glossy recipe. It looks totally delicious even at this stage. And just to finish it off, I'm going to add about a handful of dairy-free dark chocolate chips all over the top. So now we're ready to bake at about 175 degrees Celsius. So I've let the brownie cool down before cutting, and here we have a slice of my delicious, gooey, dark chocolate, totally vegan aquafaba brownie. Hit subscribe for more delicious vegan baking videos.